LG's G5 OLED Evo AI Smart TV is powered by the most advanced processor ever made for an LG TV, and it makes a major difference in the picture quality. So let's take a look at what it can do. The brain behind this TV is the Alpha 11 AI processor, which has been developed specifically for OLED technology. This gives you impressive image enhancement with AI features that improve the detail in your picture and give you vibrant colors in all the best spots. It also upgrades your audio, whether you want more cinematic virtual surround sound or you just want mumbly dialogue to sound a bit clearer. And with Brightness Booster, an advanced light boosting algorithm, it will adjust the brightness of your TV to suit your environment, with the ability to brighten the display 3 times more than your standard OLED TV. So if it is a particularly sunny day, you'll still be able to see clearly. Even with this increased brightness, this TV's OLED display means you're going to get perfect blacks and bold contrasts. An OLED display is made up of thousands of self-lit pixels that can turn on and off automatically. Now this means you get far more control over the parts of the screen that are lit up. And with this tech, you're going to get 100% color accuracy, a great view from any angle, and more comfort for your eyes thanks to the flicker-free tech and low blue light levels. So you can binge watch an entire season of your new favorite show without hurting your eyes. And there are some features specific to film buffs and gamers. When you switch on filmmaker mode, all the extra picture processing will be turned off, so your movies will look exactly as the filmmaker intended. And if you like to use your TV for gaming, you'll be able to get the best settings for your game by switching on Game Optimizer. Plus, all of this can be controlled with the LG Magic Remote, which lets you use your voice and chat to an AI chatbot to change the settings. Turn up the brightness. If you'd like more info about this TV, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.